interesting thing. You know, for a lot of us, trust is something that's hard to gain. A lot of the times it's harder for us to trust people. Some of us, we're easy to trust, and that's awesome. But for some of us, it's hard to trust. It takes us a little bit to trust people. Trust new things. But I'll tell you what, trust is very easy if you're not careful to lose. Sometimes we see someone make a mistake and we lose all trust in them in that moment. We say, you get one shot, you get one chance, but if you blow it, I've lost my trust in you. What I want to tell you is that there is one person who you can always trust.